Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a folding surprise apple. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time, and then we're gonna open it, we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a folding surprise for back to school. I know a lot of you are ready to go back, and this is a folding surprise picture. It's gonna open like this, and I have my paper ready to start on the outside. We're gonna draw first the apple, and we're gonna go up, and in the middle I'm gonna go doing a curve like this from this line to the folding part, and from this line to the folding part. On the top we're gonna do the stem of the apple, and we're gonna curve up. Now we're gonna go down, and we're gonna start going closer to the middle. I want to do a leaf that goes here from the center, and I'm gonna go up. I'm doing a point and go back and connecting. The last thing, I want to do a little curve that goes in behind the stem, just like that. Let's finish the apple by crossing the folding part. So just to guide myself, I'm gonna go here following the middle. I'm going down, and I want to put a little dot. It's about a finger space between the end of the paper and the dot. Now let's cross here, and when I'm getting close to the dot, I'm going to start going up. Let's repeat that. So we're going to cross the folding part, I want to curve, and I want to start going up to the dot. Okay, now that's it for the outside part. Now let's open the paper. And the first thing we're gonna do is mark a rectangle shape on the bottom. I wanna leave a 2-finger space here, and I'm gonna put a little line. And the same thing here, 2-finger space, and I wanna do a line. And now we're gonna join them from side to side, and I wanna rotate my paper. And if you want, you could use a ruler. I'm just gonna use my hand pressing the marker hard against the paper, so that's gonna help me to go straight. Okay, just like that. Now let's repeat the same thing up here, okay? There. Now we're gonna do the school supplies inside, and remember, you can change all of these if you want to. Well, I'm going to start with a crayon, and I'm going to leave a space, and I'm going to trace a line that goes diagonal to the left, and I'm doing here a little line. I'm leaving a space, I'm doing another little line, and I'm going down in a diagonal line. Here I leave a space that I'm going to use to do the point of the crayon with a triangle. Inside we're going to do 2 lines, and we're going to fill that with black. And let's repeat that again. 1 and 2, and fill with black. Now we're going to do one more detail. We're going to do an oval shape inside. There is an oval, and we're going to also fill this with black. Now let's do a pencil, and we're gonna do 2 diagonal line, and I'm gonna leave a space, and I'm gonna do another diagonal line, and there is a space in between them. Now this pencil is gonna have glasses, and so we're gonna start doing 2 circles on top of the lines that I just did. We're gonna leave a little space in the middle, and we're gonna do another circle, and make sure that your circles are no touching, so you are leaving a space in the middle. Now I'm gonna pass the marker twice, so these glasses are a little thicker. And now in the middle we're gonna do a little curve to join the glasses, and we're gonna leave it like that. Now let's draw the eyes, and I'm doing two little oval shapes. They are really close to the center, and we're gonna do a big smile. And we're gonna open his mouth by doing a U shape and a little curve inside for the tongue. Now, because these ones are glasses, we can see the part that cross in behind. So I'm gonna cross the line here on the glasses. And when we touch the folding part, we're gonna stop. Here, I'm gonna stop right there. Now, from this line, I'm gonna cross the folding part, just like that. Now, this one is underneath the folding, this one cross the folding. Now, let's join them, and it's a diagonal line. And on top, we're gonna do a rectangle shape, and we're gonna do a line in the middle. On the top, we're gonna do the eraser by doing a half a circle. Okay, now we're gonna do our ruler. This ruler is super easy. It's just a rectangle shape, and it's gonna pass the folding part and go close to the top. So we're just gonna try to go straight up. Now we leave a space, about 2 finger space, and we're gonna go up. We're gonna cross the folding part, and we're gonna leave it like that. The same here, you can use your ruler if you want to, and we're gonna close the top part. Now you can choose the face that you wanna do for your ruler. I'm gonna do oval shapes and a big smile. And at the end, I'm putting 2 little lines to make the smile even bigger. Now let's do one more crayon, and it's gonna be the same idea as the first one. We're gonna do a diagonal line up, and we're gonna put at the end a little line. Now we're gonna leave a space, and we're gonna repeat that line, and we're gonna do the pointy part. We're gonna do the 2 lines. We're gonna fill them with black. And the last part is do the oval shape, and we're gonna fill with black. The last detail we're gonna do is some letters between the school supplies. So we're gonna need a pencil for this part. You don't need to have this pencil, but I feel like it's easier. So we're gonna trace here in between these two a letter A. Okay. I'm marking it here with the pencil. Now let's do the letter B in between these two. And last, a letter C. Okay, that's all that I need the pencil for. Now, with the marker, we're gonna go around the letter, doing a line. We're going up, and we're gonna go around the letter without touching the lines that I did with the pencil. And in the middle, we're doing a little triangle. I'm gonna do the same thing here with the letter B, just going around and tracing inside like 2 letter D's. And the last one here, we're gonna start with 2 lines, and we're gonna go around and around. And now let's erase the lines that we did with the pencil. And there, that's it. We finished this folding surprise for back to school. Let's check it out how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out. My apple, I leave some white space here just to give her some shine to the apple. And on the leaf, I use the marker here darker, so just to give a little bit of texture to the leaf. And now let's check it out how it looks when we open. Here is my folding surprise and all my school supplies. Remember, you can change the school supplies that you're gonna add in your picture. This is just an idea. You can add a text on the top part, or maybe do the ruler a little smaller, or change the letters that we use here, or you can put your name. You can use your imagination to finish this picture. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!